Did you know that a group of rebels changed the world by sitting in complete silence? In 1650, George Fox started a movement that terrified kings and bishops across England. The Quakers believed something revolutionary, that every person could connect directly to divine wisdom without priests, without churches, without anyone telling them what to think. They gathered in silence, waiting for the inner light to guide them. This simple practice made them the most dangerous people in the kingdom. They refused to bow to authority. They wouldn't take oaths or fight wars. Thousands were thrown in prison. But here's what made them unstoppable. They never responded with violence, ever. Instead, they found their power in that inner silence, and from that silence came movements that changed everything. They were the first to oppose slavery. They fought for women's rights. They built businesses on fairness, not greed. The Quakers understood what we're just rediscovering today. Real strength doesn't come from force. It comes from knowing who you are when everything goes quiet. True change starts from within.